Today I'll be showing you a demonstration of the Autotask integration with AutoElevate. To start with, we'll launch an application that requires admin privileges, and we'll get the dialog box here from AutoElevate showing the branded company name of your managed service practice or the phrase that you want that to say there. When the user hits yes, the timer is started for the end user. A notification pops up for the technician on their computer, and a ticket is opened in Autotask. When we open the ticket here, we can see the information that has been set up into the ticket. It has a status of new, issue type of privilege request. The configuration of the machine has been added. The company, of course, has been assigned to the right company, the end user company. Has a link to our admin portal, and then information regarding what the user requested, starting with the company name of the client, the machine, user, privilege type, the application, the path, MD5 hash, and some security disposition information such as whether antivirus is enabled and up to date, system restore enabled, and Windows Update enabled. Now we can see from the user experience side of the equation here that a notification has popped up for the end user saying sorry for the wait, real-time approval is taking longer than expected, and it gives the ticket number that has been generated in Autotask. Now if the user were to reinitiate a request for the same app, the system is aware that it's already a duplicate request for this machine and what they're requesting, and gives them the ticket number from Autotask and essentially asks them to be patient. When they hit it again, it gives them the ticket information, asks them to be patient, and importantly, it records that information into Autotask each time the user does hit it. So you can see the entries that have been made there in Autotask. Additionally, we have an entry that's been made in Autotask showing the summary information from VirusTotal. So the database that has all the antivirus publishers contribute to, showing that 64 of them have this in their database and that none of them show it to be malicious. The link that's provided into the ticket takes you right to the VirusTotal database, giving you all a wealth of information about what the application or file is and how it's rated by the antivirus, anti-malware manufacturers and publishers. Additionally, there's a link to our admin portal. It gives all the same information that was in the ticket, plus summaries that are color-coded so they're easy to see the security disposition of the application and of the machine. And then you can approve or deny. In this case, we'll approve this request, which of course then is updated into the ticket. So if we go back here to the ticket and refresh, we'll now see that the ticket is showing a status of completed and a sub-issue type of approved one time, which is the outcome from AutoElevate. Additionally, a default time entry has been added for me with what I did, which is that I approved it for this instance only or one time, and it puts the default amount of time of 15 minutes in there, which of course the time entry is adjustable. Now, as you saw from the user experience, a dialog was sent back to the user machine referencing the ticket number from Autotask, and when they hit OK, the application elevates. Now, the last part that's important that I'd like to show you is a final entry that is also added into Autotask. And that entry is right here, which is alert notice was sent back to the workstation, original source file located, and user launched the application. So from a start to finish view, we can see everything that happened in this instance, which is the user, what they were requesting on what machine for what company, the configuration, the machine that was added, the company, then that they hit it a number of times, the security disposition information and summary from VirusTotal, and then the response that I approved at one time, and that the notice was sent back, the file was there, and it launched with admin privileges. AutoElevate with the Autotask integration will save you a ton of time and will make privilege management a snap.